Stick around until the end of the video of a live cold call recording from today of me getting violently hung up on. It's tough to listen to.
Okay, I'm gonna pass on this.
I never want to miss a quarterly quota. I feel like each new quarter is like a contract with myself and to retain my job. I don't have enough pipeline to hit my quota. I'm lacking. So today we are on the warpath. We are behind enemy lines. We're gonna cold call, we're gonna email, we're gonna do whatever it takes to set up some meetings today. I just got rejected, told no while making my morning cold calls. If you'd like to make me feel better, smash the like button now. The number one reason why salespeople don't consistently hit and exceed their quota is due to lack of pipeline. You create pipeline by prospecting. The reason most salespeople don't consistently prospect is they either don't know the right activities that will actually lead to results, or they can't remain consistent enough to see the activities through. The point system strategy on this board is something I do in my software sales job. And the last time I talked about this, I had over 15 direct messages on LinkedIn of you guys asking me to share the Google Doc I built this model out so that you can actually apply it in your sales job. A lot of sales reps, including myself, follow the volume philosophy, essentially putting as much action and activity in as you possibly can, maximizing calls, emails, prospecting, all of that. But what I realized one day was that I could make 1 million calls in a day, but essentially it's virtue signaling. It's vanity metrics, just saying, if I make 100 calls in a day, is that productive? That's actually not productive, because if you don't have any live conversations, then it doesn't really matter. If you're not actually setting meetings, it doesn't really matter. If you're not actually qualifying opportunities, then it doesn't really matter. That is why this point system is designed to attribute points to the activities that have the highest impact on your actual success. I'm confident if you put it to use, you will find more success sooner rather than later. Stick around until the end of the video, and one of you are going to win the opportunity to actually collaborate and be within my existing Google Doc that's live that I use on a day-to-day basis. I'll share the instructions on how you can get that at the end of the video. This point system is guaranteed to help you in your sales job if you actually implement. The reason being is you can't improve what you can't measure. So by measuring your sales prospecting activity, it will help you understand what are you actually accomplishing so that you can better connect your action to the results you want. Going on the point system, I'm gonna walk through it right now. Essentially, points. The goal is to get 8 points per day. Okay, and let me talk to you about how to actually get points. 1 point is attributed to 10 minds or prospects in a day. What that means is essentially going in an account, finding the VP of marketing, Sally, and adding Sally to your sequence to receive calls and emails. You find 10 Sallys, you get 1 point. Another opportunity to get points is 10 emails sent. Pretty self-explanatory. You send 10 Sallys, net new emails that day. Another opportunity to get points, live conversations on cold calls. I made over 100 cold calls today, didn't set a single meeting, but the reason it was a productive day is because I had 6 live conversations. 6 points is a really big deal. You'll see it's really hard to get 8 points, but 1 point per live conversation. Another opportunity to get points is setting a meeting. So on that live conversation, actually setting a real meeting. Another opportunity to get points. We're giving away more points than Oprah gives away cars right now. Qualified opportunity. So you have an actual meeting and it progresses to an opportunity. That's 1 point as well. And then finally, 1 point for legitimate self-development. I sometimes substitute a LinkedIn post in there as well. So if you're not connected with me on LinkedIn, let's join networks. But these are the opportunities to get points right here, as you can see. You can do a combination like I talked about. You can do, I had 6 live conversations today. I sent 10 emails, I mined 10 people, and I did a LinkedIn post. So I finished, I think, around 10 points, which is a really big day. What you'll see is it's way harder to consistently get 8 points a day than you think. But I guarantee you, if you adopt this system and you start tracking your metrics, it will change everything. And it had such a big impact on my career. Anytime I feel like my back's against the wall, like right now, because I don't have enough pipeline heading into Q1 right now, to win the opportunity to collaborate in my Google Doc that I use in my job, comment the Sharpie emoji. I'm not sure if there's a Sharpie emoji, so you can comment a pen, a Sharpie, some sort of writing utensil. I'll go through all the comments, and at random, I'll pick one of you, and then I'll let you know you won. We'll connect on LinkedIn, and then I'll get your email, and then I'll add you to the existing Google Doc that I have. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more sales videos. We're already connected on LinkedIn. Follow me on TikTok as well. We're posting consistently. Enjoy this live cold call of me getting hung up on. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.
This is Jay. How may I help you?
Hey Jay, this is Trent from Qualtrics. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing really well this afternoon. Thanks for asking. The reason I was giving you a call, Jay, is I'm following up on a recent email I had sent you. Does the name Qualtrics ring a bell?
Okay, I'm going to pass on this. Thank you so much. Have a great evening.